Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 3, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we get started, there is one thing that I will need, which is a SIM eject tool, which I just dropped. Okay, there we go. So yeah, SIM eject tool. You can find it somewhere in the box, but I can also use something like a paper clip, and it should work just as well. So let's pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, right here. And in here you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card, so place each one accordingly. Now I'm gonna use only 1 SIM card, as you can see, so 1 will be unoccupied. And from there, make sure that they're laying flush, which these ones are. And from then, they're just slide it back into the device, so the SIM card and SD card doesn't like fall out. And there's the pin for the SIM card, so let's just put that in, done. And well, there was the SIM card, and SD card should be working as well. So that is basically how you would insert SIM and SD into this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.